3, 2, 1. Hello everyone, welcome to my live. If you guys haven't already, please tap on that screen and show your girl some love, please. Also follow me on my platforms, Instagram and TikTok. Okay, send me pictures. Legacy, millionaire and legacy. You can see it, millionaire and legacy. I'm about to combine those two colors together, and I'm going to apply towards the outer corner of my eye. Looks like a reddish brown color. And I'm going to use some, well, you know what? I did it all over the eye actually. And I'm going to go with my Draw Me Rainbow eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to apply that towards the middle of my eye. I'm going to use my rainbow eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to use Pure, which is the color white. I'm going to apply that in the middle of my eye. Welcome everybody. Welcome to my live. Please tap on that screen for me, please. And share my live. I have that, Jade. It's just everything's so darn high. I'm going to use a little bit of red too. And I'm going to go back over with some red and blend that out. And then I'm going to show you guys how I draw my eyeliner. I'm going to use my Tattoo eyeliner marker, and the black is black. That's the color. And I'm just going to draw it like that. So as you guys see, I am like drawing from the end point of my eyebrow. Okay, and these are you guys' favorite lashes. This is the Emerald Mink lashes by I Envy Josephine. This is number VIP01. And we're going to use my 3D adhesive lash glue in the color clear. And we're going to go around the rim. You don't have to apply a lot, just a little bit. And I'm going to go ahead and apply my lash. Okay. We're going to apply a little gold. And I'm going to go in and use a little bit of nude. If you guys are just coming in and joining my live, please tap on that screen for your girl, please. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and use some concealer. Thank you, Everson. I use warm coconut and warm honey. This is by Kiss I Envy. Once again, 345 I use. And I use 320 warm honey. Mix those two colors together. I also use some F spray. And I sprayed lightly on the brush. And I'm just going to go in and blend out those concealers. And as you guys see, it easily blends in perfectly. Thank you, Unicorn. Thank you. Alright, guys. I'm trying to make sure my eyeliner is right. I'm just going to go back in. I'm going to use a little bit of red. Kind of tone down the whiteness a little bit. And I use a little bit of gold, which I use in my gold eyeshadow palette by I Envy. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with some purple. Thank you. See, that just, yeah, Jay, see how stuff's just ridiculous. But everything that we get here, we're going to use purple. Everything run about $5 or $6. And about time you get probably about, what, 12 to 15 items, it's already $60. Like, half that stuff used to be about $30 or $20. Especially when I was in college. Man, those the days. I just don't know what to do right now. Because I don't even know how I'm going to eat during the week. I just don't know. I'm going to use my Pearl 1 blush. So, I try to come on here and, you know, trying to get TikTok and YouTube and Instagram monetized, but You know, it's hard right now. So yeah, what's the point on TikTok? I'm not being upset, I'm not being rude. What's the point of y'all coming on here? You guys are not showing me love. If you're gonna be on here, please like my live. If you're not gonna like my live, you please can leave. It's just irritating. I come on here, you guys not showing no love. You guys especially not asking questions. I have about 3 or 4 people that come on here to ask questions. But people sure do love to steal your idea, but do not give you recognition whatsoever. Why it's so hard to just say, I like what you're doing. I love your makeup. It's so hard to give people recognition. Yeah. Everybody do their makeup differently. Everybody's not perfect. Okay, so this is the look from basic to glam look. I hope you guys did like and enjoyed on TikTok. Don't forget to please like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Modest Transformation by Celeste. Follow me on my YouTube channel, Modest Transformation by Celeste. YouTube, we almost close to 12,000 subscribers, so you guys come over and follow. I show you step by step of makeup and products that I use. Also follow me on Instagram. I started the live yesterday, so if you're interested, please come over and just enjoy. I don't know when I will start doing Instagram live, so just some days I'll probably do it out the week. But just let me know, and thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. My next live, actually. Bye.